What's up, my stars? Welcome to another video. Today, we're playing Animal Company. Stop talking! Anyways, we're playing Animal Company with my friends. Oh yeah, guys, sorry, this is Gorilla Tag, totally. But anyways, yeah. I don't even know. But I'm gonna fall down this pile of snow. The snail. 3, 2, 1. Huh? Nah, bro. That was a bros of ballerina. That's crazy. Okay, this is closer to December 16th. I want to try to get up here though. No. No! Okay, sorry. That was unnecessary. December. What's up there? Oh, nothing. Me mama mama me mama me mama. Bro, don't say that, children. Children, stop fighting! You ruined my moment, Glitterglam. How could you? How could you? I played these games before. Promise me, I died 1,000 times. Sorry. I played these games before because I died 1,000 times. Big sorry. I played these games before. Get up. Hold on, wait. I found cheese. Who wants some cheese? You want some cheese? You want some cheese? You want some cheese? You want some cheese? Eat the cheese! Eat the cheese! Okay, I was just kidding. You want some cheese? You want some cheese? You want some cheese? You want cheese? You want cheese? You want cheese, buddy? You want cheese? Eat the cheese. Eat the cheese. Run away! He got the cheese touch! No! Get glitter gun, please. Get glitter glam! Get glitter glam! Oh. Me mama mama me mama me mama. Ah! You really thought, little Kiera? You really thought, little kid? What was that, bro? Imagine getting juked 2 times in a row. You can set it down. Who wants to eat snowballs for dinner? Who wants to eat snowballs for dinner? Glitter Glam got the cheese touch. this cheese, guys. I want to turn it to a banana. Hold on. You want a banana? Oh, that was such a good banana chips. I hope I don't turn it to a banana like last. What? I'm invisible. I'm a banana! Stinky. What? I wouldn't eat that if I was you. Ew, he's stinky! He's stinky! That's actually a good name for you, Dino Kid. Because you are a dino and you're a kid. Ew, it's a stinky banana! No, you're trying to tag me. Huh? How old? Huh? Hey, yo! Hey, yo. Let's see how fast I can run. I haven't run in such a long time. And I rarely run. So. Sorry. Dang. No, I don't trust you. So he's 10. That's all you have to say. No, please, please. No, 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 no. I think you can get up here. Friendly roleplay. Oh, that's actually beautiful. Guys, grab a grappler to come up here. And I look at the skiing map. Or look down below. It looks good. It looks beautiful. Yeah, it actually looks like if you look down and look over here where the skiing map is, it looks beautiful. No, it looks cute. I mean, not cute. It looks good. It looks good. What are you talking about? It looks bad. It does not look bad. It looks so good. They put so much detail in, but like the void. No, what do you think will happen when we cross it? What do you think will be over there? Because right now it's not loaded. They're still building it. Hmm. Mini grenade, mini grenade, mini grenade. Ew, it's goop. Goopy, goopy, goopity, goopity is on the ground. Banana. Why would you give me the cheese? Oh my god. My balloon! It's not! Where'd it go? Boom! You're getting a cheese touch, boy. I'm sorry, but you have to get a cheese touch. Hey, I don't want the cheese touchy. No touchy touchy. Hey, why you pop my balloon? 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 Why you pop my balloon, Dino Tid? Dino Tid! You pop my balloon. Pop my balloon. Oh, that's actually good though. That's actually good. Gonna get you. Gonna get you somehow. Haha, you stinky. You stinky with no kitty kid. You stinky. Little kitty is a little kid. Ah, you missed, sucker! Ah! I was just kidding. I know you could take a joke. Ah, you suck. Ah! Oh, that's actually a good spot. No, I said this is a good spot. Haha, little kid. Haha, little kid. Haha, little kid. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it, little kid? Little kid. That's his new nickname. Or Dino Kid. Stinky! That was so bad! No, not your brother. Your Elfie friendy. I'm gonna call him Little Kitty. I'm gonna call him Little Kid. What do you mean you don't know him? He literally knows you, but you don't know him. That's crazy. Come on, little kid. I'm not too scared. Okay. What you gonna do about it? Big forehead, looking like Mr. Clean. Okay. I'm gonna go down and see what he's doing. Hi, little kid. Hi, little kid. Hi, little kid. I don't want to drop my weapon on accident. Little kid. Little kid. Little kid up here. I'm just gonna call him Little Kid from now on. Up here, look up. Look at the dummy. Nah, bro, really think he could get me? That's no, guys. Guys, kill little Dino Kitty. No, not Dino Kid, Little Kid. He's about to kill me. I don't know why. He's trying to kill me. Ha. Suck at grappling. What was that? I'm actually. What you gonna do about it? Bro! That's why you have a big forehead like Mr. Clyde! Be banana. Where is my balloon going, bro? Where's? Say someone who has a big forehead looking like Mr. Clean Buddy the Elf. Little elf sitting on the shelf, fat like queso, big forehead like Mr. Clean. Forehead so shiny just like Mr. Clean's shiny eraser. Whatever. I don't even know. I don't even know the Mr. Clean products, bro. I don't even know the Mr. Clean's products. Who's talking? Who's saying Jamie Curly? Wait, no! Don't tell me he took my sword! Don't you dare tell me! No, he took my sword! My blue sword! No, kick the little kid! He took my blue sword, bro. That was the only blue sword I have. I don't even know where it is. You thinky! You thinky! Ew. I didn't see it over here, though. I didn't see it over here. Hey, no! Give it! What? Give. No! Give me my bouncy, thingy. Why is it bouncy? No, give it! Give it! Stop! No, don't! Stop! 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 No, it's mine! It's mine! It's mine! Oh, yeah! Let's do that. Let's do that actually. Let's do that actually. Let's do that actually. Let's do that actually. Let's do that. It's just kind of died. No, no items. No items. No grapplers. No nothing. Guys, no grapplers or anything. Yeah, just snowballs. You can have your backpacks on, but it has to be empty. Huh? No. Okay, ready, guys? Get your. Can we do teams first, and then we do by yourselves? Okay. Here, this is our area. I'm Star. Can you kill me? When I wanna be a banana. Ow! Bro, I just freaking scratched. That hurt. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Where even is this thing? Okay. What is? Who did that? Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Huh? I think they make your skin white because like it's snowing and you know like the snow gets on you. Yeah, so you're used to the code. Guys, no nothing except for snowballs. Y'all said this over there. Y'all have all that. No, you can't have anything except for snowballs. Okay. Guys, go over there. You can't be right there. 3, 1, go. How? Good, you can't go back. You can't use double jump either. You can't use double jump. That's kind of cheating. And I was talking about Dino Kid. He has double jump. Okay, whatever. Okay, y'all guys. His headset died. His headset died. I don't know, but let me check what percent of my headset is on. Ho 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 ho. Huh? My headset's on 12%. Wait, I want to try it. Can we actually make snowman though? That'll be cool. That'll be cool though. That doesn't make any. Wait, I want to try to make a circle. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You thinky. Bro, that one. Isn't that pee pee snow? Why would you want that? Why would you want pee pee snow? That doesn't. Nah. Oh, good idea though. That's actually good. I want to try also. I'm getting poisoned. My screen's turning yellow. I think I'm turning to yellow snow. Ah, my screen is shaking. Yeah, me too. Wait, no. When you're poisoned, like this, look at the ground. It's yellow. We have pee pee snowballs. Ow! And then when you hit somebody with it, they turn like their blood turns green. I don't know why. Nom 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 nom. It's actually good though. Good to go and try the yellow snow. It's good. in the sky, you know how it's snowing? It's yellow now. Oh, we all died. We all died. Come on, guys, let's go to heaven. I'm gonna go to heaven. I believe I could fly. What did he want? What? Oh man, it's white. Don't you eat it though. What? Did you eat it? I don't think that's a good idea. I think you would turn it to a banana. It's a farting banana. You're a farting banana. Hold on, I got an idea. Hold on, I'm gonna. Hmm. I'm a 40 banana. I'm a 40 banana. I'm a yellow banana. I'm a yellow banana. I'm a lemon. Okay, I'm a yellow banana. Guys, I have to go because I have to charge on my headset. So, bye bye. I have to go. My headset's about to die. I forgot I was even recording, bro. Okay, bye, my stars.